Hey guys, this is Mr. Goliath, and we're taking a look at day 5, which is discovery time. You will not have to answer all 6 questions is my guess. It just depends on what your topic is. For example, if you are volunteering, you're definitely going to answer question 1, and if you're not volunteering, you won't. It says find contact info, times, dates, locations for when you can volunteer. Every rotation will be different as to when we finish, but you need to answer where are you going? When are you going to volunteer? We need the website, we need specifics, so that's what you answer for question 1. For question 2, if we're giving money or donations, we need to know a website link. Where is this money going? You should have been already asked this question by me. How are we raising the money? So are you doing like bake sales or wristbands, headbands, t-shirts? What are you doing to make the money? And then also, what items are you going to be donating? There's a lot of projects where people get donations of items and then they bring those items. So what are you seeking? Also, are you using any social media or GoFundMe's or anything like that? Remember, if you are, parents must be involved and approving of this. Number 3, websites for creating. Whether it's coding, video games, app making, animation, if you're creating a video or tutorials. I mean, basically this covers everyone, which is why it's in red. Where are you going? Like, I gave some good examples. Video game people, check out Scratch. Anyone who's making any video of any kind, check out wevideo.com. CAD people, check out tinkercad.com. App people, check out appmaker.com. Coding, check out code.org. So there's all kinds of sites that you can look for. Just indicate which ones you're going to use. Let's say you're just going to make your video on a tablet using iMovie, then just put tablet iMovie, and that's fine. Everyone will do research. For example, I have people, maybe you're doing an animation about bullying. So you would look for not animation, but you would look for credible websites on bullying. So what is the topic? And no matter what your issue is, let's say we're fundraising for leukemia, you would look up leukemia and try to find some credible websites. You just need to. 5, YouTube tutorials. It doesn't matter what you're doing. So some people say, well, I'm just doing fundraising and a bake sale. I don't need any. Well, look for YouTube tutorials on videos on how to make different foods. We all can find something. If I'm making animations, I might put something like Pencil 2D basics. The more specific your search, the better your results will be. Finally, step 6 is for anyone making videos and tutorials. You're going to be making a script, not necessarily just today, but the main question you're going to be answering is, what is the story you want to tell to get people to care about your cause or project? Answering, why do you care? That storytelling element is huge. This is how people are going to be driven to actually help you. Also, people making videos, you may be answering questions like, will you have interviews? What questions will you ask? How will your video document proof of accomplishing your project? Everybody should be answering that question. Are you volunteering? Who's going to be in your video? Where are you going to film? Is there stop motion in this? Is it time-lapsed? Are you going to have music? All those things are questions you can answer today to give us a general understanding of where you're going, which will help you in the future. So those are the questions you need to answer. You can go ahead and do it now. Good luck.